Hi guys, it's Aquarion. It is happy almost New Year because it's New Year's Eve. Watching this after New Year's Eve, then Happy New Year. This will be unedited. I'm just gonna quickly open a package for dolls from Bianca Crafts. I ordered she had a Hufflepuff Monster High doll that's been customized up on her shop, and I saw it when I was looking through Hufflepuff stuff on Etsy, and she said, "Hello Elijah, I'm so glad that this little Hufflepuff girl is going to a good home. The order includes a Hufflepuff doll, shoes, socks, pleated skirt, collared shirt, short sleeve, house tie, over vest, house robes with stitched crest, custom wand, box scrolls, school books, mandrake baby, earmuffs, handmade broom with real wood, and a Potter pillow. I hope you enjoy her. Thank you so much for your purchase, and thank you so much. Sincerely, a Ravenclaw alumni, Angela. P.S. If you have a quick moment, a small review would be great." And then this is the time note. It was in my receipt. And then if you want, why won't this focus? Sorry, I'm like trying to get this to focus so you guys can see her card. It says Bianca Crafts, which is also Bianca Crafts on Etsy, and then it says the same thing, hobbyist, and her email. Well, she actually sent me two, so I'm going to give one to my best friend or my mom. Let's take a quick peek. She put yellow. I'm a Hufflepuff, guys. This makes me happy. And now bubble wrap. Ooh, this might be... Oh, this is my beautiful doll. Take everything out, so everything's individually wrapped. And a tiny little Harry Potter pillow. Oh, it's so cute. She has her own pillow. I'm sorry, guys. This is like a new thing most of you don't know. Why did I just get blurry? Okay, my hand's in focus, but I'm blurry. So, I guess that's fine because I'm going to be doing close-ups of everything that she comes with. Here's her broom, which is quite cute, honestly. And this is also wood, so this isn't like bristles like it would be for a normal broom. But this is really pretty, honestly. She did amazing. And I love that these are all wrapped in tissue paper, honestly. Especially considering it is literally just after Christmas. And then here's all of her little things to go with her. Oh, I think this is her wand. We'll open that last. Oh my god, look at the detail of this mandrake. And I apologize if there's like extra weird noise up, like this sound like it's coming from up here. That's because my neighbor has guests over. So let's hope they're not loud, because I do work tomorrow. And I'm probably not staying up to midnight. Because I will be having a closing shift, which means I'd like to sleep at a decent time. Here's her headband. Well, her earmuffs, so she doesn't hear the mandrake screaming. Here's all of the little scrolls. There is... Here, let me put the book down so I can show you these. These are all the scrolls, and it looks like there's writing on the inside. I'm not going to open them now. I want to leave them like this. And then... Oh my god, there's... Okay. So... Hogwarts. And it says a history. And then it has tiny little... Each little thing each page has words on it. Like, that is amazing. Shit. Literally, I am blown away right now. I'm gonna open her. I'm like, I really don't wanna open the box, but I wanna see her tiny little wand. Ooh! I almost dropped it. This is her wand. It's quite cute, actually. And the box is just like this on the inside. I'm gonna put this back in the box. I do not want to lose it while I'm opening everything with a, and well, everything is everywhere for like tissue paper and bubble wrap galore. And because I also make and ship things, all the extra shipping papers. Oh look, she's even wrapped and she has something protecting her face. Oh, that makes me so happy. Another reason I really wanted her, like, I couldn't decide, so I posted a poll on Instagram. Some people said no, but it was like 2 people. Okay, let's untie her face. Oh my god, this could be like a tiny little bucket to carry all of her scrolls. I'm gonna paint this black, and it's gonna be a cauldron. Okay. Oh, look at her. Oh my god, like, look how detailed her face is. Like, she's cute little freckles. Oh my god, look at her. She's so cute, and her hair is so soft. Her robe is fantastic, and there's a tiny little crest. I'm gonna take her robe off real quick and show you what's underneath. She's got her little sweater, her tights. Oh my god, look how gorgeous her shoes are. Her skirt is pretty. And then under her is her short sleeve and tie. She did wonderful. Like, she's gorgeous. She has little details freckled on her hands. Like, I'm just in awe at how great this is. Like, this just makes me want to make Monster High doll, custom Monster High dolls so much more. And if you look carefully, it's vines. A vined look that's going around her shoes with the yellow detail. Oh, I love her, guys. I cannot wait. As you can tell in the background, there's something going on over there that's going to be different. There'll be a video on that once I get my shelves. She will be on said shelf with all of her little things. She'll probably have her own little shelf. Not lying. And there's a couple new Harry Potter Legos that I have as well to be seen, and quite a few other things. So that will be coming soon. For now, bye guys. Happy New Year!